Welcome to 2025, and it is Dave again with my first video of the year. Just want to give you a quick rundown of the main digital camera system I'm going to be using this year, and that is going to be the Leica, of course, Leica SL2 and SL2S system. At my age, focusing these systems manually is easier than the rangefinder. I do have the rangefinders for film, which I really enjoy the rangefinders for film better than for digital. So I think this year I will be sticking primarily with these cameras and the complement of all three zoom lenses, the 24-90, the 16-35, which I'm filming on now, and the 90-280 for those when I need things just a little bit longer reach out there on things. That's going to be the system. It's just a wonderful camera. Let me tell you right now, it is very underrated. You can pick these things up secondhand for $2,000 to $2,500. Either camera in nice shape, and they're just workhorse cameras. This build is incredibly solid. They have a nice, not too heavy, but not too light feel in the hand, and paired with the Leica lenses, or you can even use any of the other L-mount lenses, of course. Sigma makes a lot of great lenses, Panasonic lenses, any of those lenses on here, or adapt a myriad of manual focus lenses just like you can on any other digital camera, which all work wonderfully on this. And with this 5.76 million dot viewfinder, focusing those old lenses is a breeze. That, coupled with the magnification that it gives you, I can focus it better with my old eyes than the rangefinder, so that's why I like this system. The body design is clean and simple. The buttons are few. It doesn't have a lot of text marking the buttons. And the menu system is also very simple and clean as well. Probably one of the simplest and cleanest of any cameras out there. It's just a great little system, and for the prices you can buy these cameras now, there's really no reason that you should at least give it a shot. Pick one up in that price range and just try it out for yourself. If you don't like it, you can always sell it and go on. But for me, that's the system I'm going to go with this year. So I hope you guys have a great 2025. Shoot film, shoot digital, just get out there and shoot, create, draw, paint, whatever your art is, whatever you are good at creating, get out there and create. That's the key. That's going to be the real key this year. My key this year will be to create something and not worry about whether or not it's perfect, not worry about whether I'm pleasing all the social media masses, but just whether I am satisfying my desire to create and continue creating and continue growing in this area. Thank you for watching today. Please subscribe if you haven't. I'll have a few other videos here and there. I post kind of sporadically, so I can't guarantee you when I'm going to post, but I post the best I can. And I just hope you have a great year. Whatever camera system you choose, get out there and shoot it. Hey, drop me a note in the comment below and tell me what your primary digital and or film system this year is and why. And let's just carry on the conversation. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful 2025.